All right, let's make my bed. So today is going to be a stay-at-home day with just getting some stuff done around the house. I actually am starting my December daily for 2024, which I'm super excited about. And the first video will already be posted before this vlog is posted, because this vlog will go out on Friday. So that's as good as it's going to get there. All right, and then I have all of my laundry from the trip. More in the All right, so I'm just gonna fold my clothes up. If you guys are looking at me, you didn't see my last vlog, you won't know that I got my hair cut. So yeah, I trimmed my hair. Well, I cut my hair. I cut probably about 5 inches off. And this is something I do every once in a while. I'll just cut my hair off because I get sick of it. And it grows really fast. So here's my before and after. I'll put up a before and after. And yeah, so anyway, got my haircut. Okay, so before I get anything else done, I've got to get a drink of water. So on Saturday when we went out shopping, I found this little lamp. And I'm so excited about it. Because I wanted a kitchen lamp. And I was trying to thrift one. Like I was just trying to find just a normal one, not necessarily like a strawberry one. But then I found this one at Home Goods. And I'm like, this is the one. So I'm going to do a little reconfiguring of this area right here. And I really want this lamp in here. And I got a timer thing so that it'll turn on at a certain time. I feel like I need it a little bit taller. Like I want it like there. So maybe I can find like a little pedestal. Oh wait, here. Oh, there we go. That's what height I want. I don't really love this tray right here, but no, let me get rid of the tray. Yeah. Oh my God, it's so cute. So I'll show it to you at night when the light is turned on. I have it set for a certain time. So the next thing is putting this rug away. But I want to get a new rug for my bathroom. So I got this rug. I wanted to get a pink one. Let's use Editing Magic to switch the rug. There, all switched. I still have to put my Tinkertopia stuff away, but that's not gonna happen right this second. Okay, so here is my mess from my, what's this called? December Daily Project. So I picked this thing up. So let's clean this up a little bit. Or plastic laptop holder, because I wanted to be able to use my laptop in here. Oh my gosh, I have so many sheet. I have so many sheet protectors. So I am going to film my foundation pages and little intro for my December Daily. So I'm going to do that next. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to get off my list is I want to put this out. So my sister, a couple years ago, gave me this adorable little paper roll hanger thingy. I need to add more paper to it. I have this other paper roll, and I'm like, why do I have two? And it's just laziness. It's just laziness, pure and simple. So I know my sister will be happy that I'm doing this. So I'm removing this one. It's been removed. Finally, after many, many years of it being up there for no reason at all. So I think I actually added that. I'm going to tape the screws onto this because I will put this back when I leave. I'm just going to put it underneath my sink at the back. And then that way when I leave I can put it back. It's up here, I might as well refill this even though there's a couple napkins left, which I will not waste. I will use these napkins. Alright, that is off the list. Yay! Now I need to go actually put my clothes away, which is the worst part of laundry. So we're going to do that next. Okay, so we're going to use a little bit of Editing Magic again, and poof, they're gone. Okay, I wanted to show you the lamp when it was on. So cute. I love it. I love it. I'm very excited I have that. All right, well, I'm going to go ahead and end the vlog here. I think it's going to be a fairly quick one. I did get everything on my list done, so check off all the things. And yeah, so I think it's really been a productive day. I spent a majority of the day filming my December daily video. So if you haven't checked that out, definitely go ahead. I'll make sure I leave a link up there on the top if you want to see what I did for my December daily. I should actually have 2 videos posted by the time this vlog goes. So I have my setup video for the like my supplies and stuff, and then I have my foundation pages. So I should have those 2 videos up and loaded before this video. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this little quick vlog of me getting stuff done around my house. Thanks for coming. Bye.